today's video, I'll show you how to enable GIFs in Microsoft Teams and send them easily in your chats. If you want to make your conversations more fun and expressive, GIFs are a great way to add personality to your messages. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and make sure you're signed in to your account. You need to be logged in before you can access chat features, so double-check that everything is set up correctly. Once you're in, click on the Chat tab from the left-hand menu. This will display your recent conversations. From here, select the person or group you want to send a GIF to, so your message goes to the right chat. After opening the conversation, look at the message box at the bottom of the screen and click the emoji icon. This icon opens different messaging options, including emojis, stickers, and GIFs. Next, switch to the GIF section. Click on See All to view the full GIF library. This gives you access to a wide range of GIFs, far more than what's shown by default. You can scroll through the collection or use the search bar to quickly find a specific theme or reaction, such as greetings, celebrations, or funny moments. Once you find a GIF that fits your message, click on it. The GIF will appear in the message box so you can review it before sending. When you're ready, simply press Enter or click Send. Your GIF will be delivered instantly, adding a fun and engaging touch to your conversation. And that's it. With just a few steps, you can make your Microsoft Teams chats more lively by using GIFs and expressing yourself more creatively. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tutorials.